This is a certified pre-owned 2012 Mazda CX-9. Enough space for everything in life. This crossover has an automatic transmission and a 3.7-liter V6. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, full power accessories, a leather-wrapped shift knob, a rear spoiler, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 12-volt power outlets, rear impact crumple zones, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has less than 21,000 miles. This Mazda has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.